In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to push files from Google Colab to GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into the steps to make this seamless process happen. First, you need to open your notebook in Google Colab. So head over to your web browser and go to colab.research.google.com. Once there, open the specific notebook you want to share with your GitHub repository. This is where you'll be doing most of your coding, analysis, or machine learning tasks, so make sure everything is in place. Now that your notebook is open, you want to save it to GitHub. To do this, look at the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu bar. Click on File. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here, select the option that says Save a Copy in GitHub. This action essentially prepares your notebook for upload to your GitHub account. If this is your first time linking Google Colab with your GitHub account, you might see a prompt asking you to authorize access. Don't worry, this is a standard security step. Just click on the Authorize button to give Google Colab permission to securely connect to your GitHub account. This ensures that your data is kept safe while allowing the two services to communicate. After that, a dialog box will pop up for you to choose your desired repository. In the drop-down menu within this dialog, you'll see a list of the repositories you have on GitHub. Pick the one where you want to upload your notebook. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click OK. Congratulations! Google Colab will now save your file directly to the repository you've chosen. To ensure everything went smoothly, let's verify that your notebook uploaded correctly to GitHub. Simply open a new tab in your browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, find and open the repository that you selected just a moment ago. Take a moment to look for your notebook file among the listed files in that repository. When you find it, click on it to view the contents. You should see everything you put into that notebook, including the code, text, and outputs if you've run any cells. If you see it all looking great, then you've succeeded in pushing your files from Google Colab to GitHub. That's it. Now you know how to easily save your Colab notebooks to GitHub. This can be incredibly helpful for version control, collaboration with others, or simply keeping a backup of your work. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up